Are you a stay-at-home mom or a student or someone who is looking for a side hustle that will be bringing you daily income? Look no further, because I will teach you how to start a profitable popcorn business, how to make it from scratch using just your pot, no machine, and also the cost breakdown of this. So let's start with the video. First, you are going to get this corn. Please note that this corn is popcorn corn. So when you get to the market, tell them you want to buy popcorn corn. For your popcorn to taste nice, you need margarine, which will be used, and then vegetable oil. So let's start with the production of popcorn. In a pot on fire, you are going to add margarine. So you can see how I'm doing this. I'm going to add margarine. This margarine, please take note, is salted margarine. It has salt in it, so there is no need for me to add salt to my popcorn. Then I will add vegetable oil. So you are going to add bits by bits of your corn. Please, why I'm doing this is because this pot is actually a very small pot and I don't want the popcorn to fall on the floor. So your oil and your margarine should just be a bit more than your corn. Do you understand? A bit more, as you can see in this video. It should not be too much so that it will not fry it. You just want the oil to be enough for it to pop. So you can see that it's popping. When you see 2 or 3 start popping, just put your cover on it, because if you don't do that, it's going to fall on the floor. Please note that you are using low heat to pop your popcorn. If you use high heat, you just see that your popcorn is going to burn, and nobody wants that. That's wastage. So on low heat, please, on low heat. And as this is popping, you can see I reduced the fire from the gas cylinder. That's just the truth. Please note that, because you don't want burnt pop. And you are just going to turn it, just shake it. As you can see, I did it in the video. I shook it so that all sides will pop well. Can you see this yummy goodness? This is not stressful. This took me less than 40 seconds for all this to pop. Just, let's say if you want to make popcorn, just take 5 minutes of your time and your popcorn is ready. You can see how beautiful and how white this popcorn is looking. So if you noticed, you'll know that we didn't use sugar or salt to pop this popcorn, and there's a reason for that. Why? You don't want it to burn. So this is the leftover corn. I didn't pop everything. Now I want to make the syrup for the popcorn, because you want it to be sweet. Not everybody likes popcorn that is not sweet. So I'm just going to add water into a pan and then add sugar. You're just going to wait for this to dissolve properly. It's going to dissolve that you will not see any sugar in it again. You can see. Then you switch it off and just going to divide it into 3 bowls, because I want a variation in colors. That's why I'm doing this. And you can see that this syrup is thicker, is not as liquidy as water. Do you understand? So I'm just going to add 2 drops of pink color. The colors I'm using in this video are edible food colors, and it can be gotten at any baking store. So please ensure that it's an edible food coloring you are using. So I'm just going to mix that, add blue. You can see how pigmented this blue is looking, and then I added red food coloring. So we have pink, blue and red, all the primary colors. This will give your popcorn that vibrancy. So I'm just going to start with just the plain regular popcorn. I'm just going to add the syrup. Yes, mix it properly because you want it to be sweet, and then dry it out. If you can hear, this is very crunchy. So I'm going to add a bit of the popcorn and then add my red food coloring to this. I just want to tell you that if you've gotten to this point in the video, why you not subscribe to this channel? Why? You've been enjoying the video so far. For you to have gotten to this point, please subscribe, like, comment and share these videos to people you love. Even if you don't love them, go share my video. So I'm going to try out the red food coloring. I realized that this red food coloring changed to pink when I dried it out. I don't know the scientific rationale behind that, so I'm going to dry out the pink also, and then mix the blue color to this, mix it properly, spread it out on a tray and dry it out. Why am I drying this out? To maintain the crunchiness of the popcorn. You don't want your popcorn to taste soggy. You can see how crunchy this is. That's how you know that it is properly dried. And this drying process does not take 5 minutes. It will dry properly. So what am I going to use for my packaging? This clear bag. I can swear by this clear bag anytime, any day. And it's very cheap. I got 100 pieces for 800 naira. So you can see it's cheap. So, and it has a seal at the end. So I'm just going to measure out the popcorn that I want to sell and then just arrange it in that bag and then seal. So you can see that gum there, and then I'll just seal it. Please ensure you seal your popcorn properly so that air will not enter and it will not lose its crunchiness. You can see how beautiful this is looking. If you were to buy this, how much would you buy one of this popcorn? And if you were to sell, how much would you sell one of this popcorn? Please answer. I want to see your answers in the comment section. How much would you buy each of this popcorn? So you can see the mix of colors. So I just played around with the colors. Some ones I made it plain pink. Some ones I mixed the white and the blue together. You can see how beautiful this is looking. This is actually so good if you are living in a children area to sell, because children are attracted to colors. So how much would you use to make this popcorn? The star of the show, which is corn, costs 400 naira per cup. Yes, and I used, I think, 1.5 cup, and I got that amount of popcorn. Sugar 150. I used half cup of sugar. Coloring just like 2 drops, so I just estimated it at 200. Oil, I didn't even use up to half. I estimated what I used at the price of 500. Margarine 500. Nylon 500, which you don't even use up to 30 of the nylon. Gas per kg is 1,000 naira. So you can see that this popcorn business is really affordable to start and profitable. Okay, my people, I'm bringing you good news though. Do you know that if you join my membership at the cost of 1,000 naira, I will give you early access to new videos, members only videos, in which I will explain all your questions. I will teach you how to start different profitable business, different type of recipes and their measurements. Is that not good for 1,000 naira?